Hello. This video is going to show you a little bit about how to search the library at Marshall or at Moore and choose books for checkout. Because right now we are currently asking that nobody comes to the library to look for books. If you need some books, then I'm going to show you how you can find out what books we have in the library and what procedure you're going to use to check those books out. So to search our library, I'm going to take you to the Destiny homepage. So for right now, we're going to go through the GPIC homepage and go to Parents and Students at the top. And then scroll down, and under Student Resources, we're going to go to, should be a Library Resources right here. And then we are elementary, so we're going to go to elementary library resources. And just so secondary folks at Moore, the link is the same in both places. So I'm going to go to elementary library resources and then scroll down here till we find this right here, Destiny Library Online. So this is the Destiny homepage. So you want to bookmark this page. Okay, so on this page, you're going to choose what school you're at. So I'm going to say if I'm at Moore College and Career Prep. Now, if you are looking to create an account for Sora, okay, Sora is the online library. It's an app that you get on your iPad. The students all have access to Sora. For the students, their username is their ID number, and their password is either the GPISD 75052 password or the student's complex password, depending on if you're an elementary teacher or a secondary teacher. But teachers, in order to access Sora, must create an account here under Create an Account. So if you're a teacher, you want to create your account. It says enter your last name, enter your barcode. Sometimes when teachers do this, especially if you've been in the district a while, it may tell you you already have an account. Okay, if it says you already have an account, you're going to go to the login, and then you're going to go to forgot password. And it will help you reset your password. So I'm going to go on and log into the Moore College and Career Prep. Now, you do not need a login in order to search the library. Okay, so if I go back to Destiny, I have that bookmarked right here, so I'm going to go back to Moore. Notice I can still search for books in the library here without having an account. So there really isn't a reason to create an account for teachers unless you want to use Sora. So I just want to make that clear. So let's say that I wanted to search for Pete the Cat. So I'm going to look for Pete the Cat books, and I'm going to search by title. Now see, this one is an ebook. This is an electronic book. So this is a book that would be available on Sora. But then here are the rest of the Pete the Cat books that I have available. Now let me just kind of let you know that just because it says it's available doesn't mean it's actually in the library. Most of the time the books are there, but there are some times when the books have been lost or they're in repair. So use this availability as a mostly true situation. So let's scroll down here. And you can see like this one is an audio book. This one is another ebook. If it has a little book icon right there. So let's say this one's available. If I click on that, this is the information that I can get. So this does have an add to list feature, and I'll make a separate video about how teachers can create resource lists in using Destiny. We also have Destiny Quest, which is what I've come and talked to many 3rd through 8th grade classes about how to use Destiny Quest for students to search the library. But teachers can also create resource lists of books and articles and videos that you can use for any topic, and that is available through Destiny. I'll create a separate video for that. This one is only about books. So once you find out, I'm going to go right back here to search results. Once you find out that that is a book that you wanted to check out, then you would email either me, well, both me and Donna, and say that I would like to check out Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. And we'll pull the book for you, we'll check it out to you, and we'll have it ready for you we'll email you and let you know when it's ready to be picked up. So that's how you would search for specific books and get those checked out. If you have a list of, like, let's say that you're going to do, I'm going to go back to refine my search. Let's say that I wanted to do, I'm doing a unit on weather, and I wanted to choose some books about weather. So I could type in weather and just click on the keyword button, and it'll tell me what all the videos I have about weather are available. Now you can also email us, both me and Donna, and you can say, I need to check out whatever books you have on weather for second graders. And we'll pull those books, we'll check them out to you in a stack, and we'll have them ready for pickup. So I hope that's been helpful as far as how you are going to search for books in the library and request books for checkout. Please email me or Donna for any questions.